Today I'm going to share with you this water marbling paint for kids that we went ahead and got over on Amazon. Now this here is age, well it says it's for age 6+, okay? Now when we bought this it cost us £18, so that's a little over $20. And I'll put a link to this down below and it'll take you over to Amazon in your country, so if you like the look of this you can go ahead and pick this up for yourself. So this here is a gift for my niece, so I went, she's really into painting at this moment in time, so I thought this would be a great Christmas present. So this is what it looks like inside of the actual kit. So we have got here, we can see we have got we've got 6 different paints included in here. So we've got a green, a blue, a red, a yellow, an orange and a black, well a navy blue with that, okay? Then we've got all of these different types of brushes in here. There's also like a little spoon. We've got some straws in here. It looks like a hairbrush to me, but this is for, creating different styles of art. Then we have got these here. So we've got 1 packet, 2 and 3. So we've got 3 different packets over here, and I'll also share this with you as well, what we've got inside of here. So we've got this here, what's this say? Art's Light Up Life Water Marbling Paint Kit. So inside of this here, it's literally like an instruction user manual. So over in here, look, cover page, how to prepare the paint solution. So it basically walks through how to do this, how to paint on water, frequently asked questions, and other bits. But we can see down here, look, make the solution directly on the tray. So sprinkle a spoonful of powder evenly on the water. So this is obviously the powder, and then this is our tray for our water. So we sprinkle on a little bit of this powder, spray it evenly, add 250 ml of water into the tray. We stir it quickly, and then look, the powder turned into transparent gel. Wait about 6 hours until it's fully dissolved. And then that's it, and then you are good to go with this. So oh hang on, we've got some more options on the back here. So make the solution in a bottle, paint on water. So we've got painting on water, and then we've got some more instructions down here. But overall, pretty happy with this as a gift for my niece. I'll quickly show you this over on Amazon so you can see some more visuals of this. So if I just quickly come over here and lift this up here, you can see this here is the product. You can see, where's it gone? Look, I purchased it on this date. This is the price down here, and I'll just quickly come over here I'll try and quickly come over here. You can see we've got different images on here of how this works, what to do with it, and other bits. But overall, relatively cheap for a water marbling paint kit. So as I've mentioned, I'll put a link to this down below for you. If you want to go ahead and have a look at this, absolutely feel free. But I think, I'll have one happy niece. So that's today's video. I know it's a short one, it's something a bit different, but overall, we like to review and share everything that we're buying over here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.